gente, Louis the Boiler Man here. Guys, we're here in Valley Stream, New York. We're about to install this beautiful louver and this beautiful home. We also need to install this louver because we need to pass the inspection and button up a couple of things. But also do not forget to subscribe and follow to our YouTube channel, Louis the Boiler Man or New York Boiler Air Conditioner Repair. Hit the bell button, like, comment below, and of course, we'd love to hear from you. No, I don't want to go back. All right, mi gente, we're outside here, like I said, in the back of the home. We're about to install this louver. What is a louver? A louver is basically just, you guys can see, it goes inside the window. It's to allow fresh air into the boiler room. Of course, it has some sort of like a bird screen in here so no birds can get in here or any critters. I would suggest to put this right side up. The reason for that, because if you don't put it correctly, when it rains, rain goes in an angle, so rain could, seep through. So think of it, if you put it this way, it'll work, but you're gonna get rain, you're gonna get water inside your home. So you want to put it right side up, just like that. So when the water hits this little deflector here, it'll deflect the water, and the water will go down and it won't go into the basement. Alright guys, you just finished wrapping up installing the louver. The louver's in place. However, there's a couple of gaps and a couple of things I want to adjust. We need to get some more material, so we're about to go to Home Depot. So this is what it is to be a contractor. Hey, it is what it is. So that's what I say, some jobs are just not that easy. But we're going to get the job done right, correctly, and you know what? And move on, because she wants to get this over with. It's a wrap. Alright, mi gente, we're picking up some few items here from Home Depot. So we got a trowel, we have a bucket to put our cement in, do our mortar, some exterior screws, let's see, some sand mix, which you guys can see over here, and also some mortar repair. It's not silicone based, but it's a mortar so we can fill in the gaps. So this is what it is. Guys, take a look at this. Look at the consistency. If you can make a little snowball if you want, or cement ball. But if it was too much water in this cement, it wouldn't hold. So you want it to be in between, like a little rich. But if you put too much water and you feel like it's not holding, then add a little bit more cement. But this is what you want: consistency like this. Alright, mi gente, it's officially a wrap. We're wrapping it up right now. We're cleaning everything up. So this is the back side of the louver. You guys can see from the inside the basement. It's all done. There's no seams, there's no, there's gaps, but very small, but I sealed everything from outside. So we don't have to worry about any water penetrating to the louvers or the side of the louvers. We don't have to worry about any other critters getting inside there. I mean, maybe small things like ants or bugs is one thing, but as far as any squirrels, raccoons, any big critters, we're good. So guys, stay tuned because this is what it is to be Louis the Boiler Man.